How to fix card declined in PayPal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your card being declined on a PayPal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. Now, there can be many reasons for this. One might be because you might not have enough balance, or the second one is you might just have linked or put in the wrong information when linking your card. Now, the first one can be solved rather easily. All you have to do is simply put balance in your PayPal. If that does not work, you can link a card here. Upon link a card, you can link any other card and yeah, just link any card that you want. So type in the card number here. And after you type in the card number, you'll need to choose your card network. So there you can see. So let's say it's a Visa card. Now you can choose the expiration date. So let me just choose an expiration date here. And after choosing the expiration date, you can simply type in the CVV here. So CVV is a three-digit number on the back of your card. As you can see, simply type in the CVV here. And after typing in the CVV, you can then add your billing address. After that, simply link a card and you're good to go. And that's how you fix this issue, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.